Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing review of Spin Master's BAKUGAN Bell Brawlers. Not Bell Brawlers. BAKUGAN Resurgence. Because I just finished the Bell Brawlers one. That's why I said Bell Brawlers. Anyway. So yeah, here's Hypergorth. Can you hear that? Yeah, it has a waist little text on there. So, yep. Then you have, what? Titan Dragonoid Ultra. This one used to be called Terrace, and looks like it is a Terrace symbol, I'm guessing, from what I'm going off of it. But I had not really seen much Terrace Bakugan or Bakugan cards. So if that is Terrace, then is that? Because I'm not really sure, but that doesn't look like Diamond. But I mean, the card looks just fantastic. And it's got silver text to it. So all this stuff in text is silver. 1200B costs 4 evolve. You get 10 fists. This counts as all factions. So Aquas, Darkness, Ventus, Pyro, Pyrus, Aquas, not Aquas. What the hell is that? Ventus, and I'm guessing Chaos. Wait, do I have any Chaos cards? Let me quickly check to see if that is a Chaos one. Little star. No, that doesn't count as a Chaos. At least I don't think it does. No, that is not Chaos. I'm guessing that is Diamond. So my mistake. This looks like it is actually from the new element. From, the different elements that they have for each Bakugan. This looks like it's the new Diamond one. If I am reading this card correctly, which I'm trying to go along as I can to figure things out. Because I looked back there and was like, wait, is this Ventus? Is this Terrace? No, it's not Terrace. Is this Chaos? No, it's not Chaos. So that is what I'm guessing Diamond's going to look like. Which, if it is, I definitely want to own a Titan Dragonoid Ultra Diamond one. Now I definitely want to go on a hunt to own this one. Because this one looks like it can definitely beat out Hyper Fanger and maybe even Hyper Dragonoid Ultra, because that one looks pretty good. Hyper Dragonoid Ultra with its special ability, then Hyper Fanger with Darkness, that one, and then we have Air Zone, which looks pretty good. Pyrus costs 2. How foiled with Baka cores, I guess you call it Baka foiled, because there's like Shattered, like with the U cards, it's like Shattered foiled, then there's like Star foiled ones where they have little stars, as you can see here. This one you kind of see that this little like Bakugan core, so I guess this would be core foiled or Bakucore foiled or something like that. If we take along the lines of the foil variations from Yu-Gi-Oh cards. So yeah, reveal the top card of your deck. If it's not a flip card, you may play it for free. Okay. Kind of cool. I wonder what this Bakugan is, because that kind of looks cool. You know what? It kind of almost looks like the Jersey Devil. The little creature monster called the Jersey Devil. Because look, it's got hooves, it's got wings, it's kind of got like a dragon's head and almost a dragon-like snake tail. Definitely the Bakugan Resurgence pad, we have gotten some pretty good and powerful cards out here. So, yeah. Definitely I would say this pad was a great pad that's worth it. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.